Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tamara. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into this. I've already took a shower. This is my hair like towel dried. It dries super fast. I'm just parting my hair and then we're gonna put some stuff in it to blow dry my hair. So I'm using this Ion Blowout Solutions. It's a shine cream and a heat protectant. It makes your hair super soft and it protects it from the heat from the blow dryer, also from the flat iron. I use this because it makes it not as hard to deal with when I'm straightening my hair. I'm just layering this on to the top of my hair. I'm really making sure that I focus on the ends. And then I'm gonna part my hair into 4 sections and put some more product in throughout my hair to make sure that I cover every piece of hair. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. I will make sure that I link all the products I use down below in the description box. Okay, so my hair is nice and lathered with this cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair off camera and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Look how big my hair is. When you blow dry your hair, make sure that you comb through it. That way when it's all dry and huge, that you can comb right through it and it's nice and smooth for when you start preparing it to straighten it. But my hair is super soft and really fluffy. So what I like to do is I go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections. This just makes it super easy to straighten because you really just focus on each section as you go. Okay, so I am using Silk Elements. This is the Mega Silk Olive Heat Protection Spray. This is infused with silk proteins. You can use this on relaxed and natural hair. It protects up to 450 degrees, which is how hot my flat iron is. It also makes it 10 times smoother and it reduces frizz. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some Humidity spray on top of the Silk Elements spray. This Garnier humidifier spray. This is also a heat protectant, but this is really a mist that protects your hair from humidity when you go outside. You want to make sure that that flat iron goes right over the strand of hair that you just sprayed because it's going to automatically lock in and protect your hair from humidity. So make sure you use it on each strand before you straighten it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do one side of my head. I know you guys don't want to watch me do my whole head. That's just way too much. You guys, I have been through many flat irons, and out of all of them, I realized that I just need something with high heat to straighten my really big, thick hair, because I will be sitting here for hours trying to straighten one strand. So this is a Revlon straightener, believe it or not. I found one that goes up to 450 degrees, and y'all, this thing has been through it, and it is still sticking with me to this day. You don't have to go out and spend a bunch of money on a Chi. I tried a Chi, it only goes up to 410 degrees, or any other professional flat iron. Just make sure you find one that's hot enough for the thickness of your hair. The hotter it is, the faster you'll get through it. So I finished one half of my head. You guys, look at the difference. My hair is super straight from root to tip. These 3 products really make your hair super straight, shiny, smooth, soft. You see this other side of my hair, it's big, it looks dry. So I tried straightening the rest of my head in front of camera, but it was not working, y'all. My back was hurting. I just couldn't do it, so I went ahead and did the rest off camera. Alright, and I am finished, you guys. Look how shiny and straight my hair is. I haven't straightened my hair in like 5 months, so my hair has grown so much. I am standing up just to show you how long it's gotten, because I've really been trying to focus on my curls. But you can still straighten your hair without damaging it by using the right products. I hope that you like this video. I try to make it short and simple for you guys. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.